Hi everybody, hope you all are doing well. Today I am going to present you standalone building project which is located at Patrika Nagar, Madhapur. This location is prime. The major reason is it is very near to the cyber tower. It comes backside in the Medicover hospital line. And now I am going to present you insight about the flat. This is 1450 square feet flat, and we are providing 8 passenger lift, and we have built 2 flats in each floor. This is the living area, and dimensions are you can see the dimensions, living area dimensions, dining area dimensions. This is the or you can view this from your balcony. Beautiful. And you can see the kitchen. Now I'll take you to the master bedroom. We have given very good size master bedroom, 14 into 11.6 feet, and we have placed designer tiles in the toilet also. 9.9 into 4.76 feet toilet. Now I will take you to the second bedroom, and you can see the corner window. It's a 2-side road plot of 630 square yards. You may have a question why to buy in this project. The major 2 things are there here. One is there is no GST, and the second point is for each flat we are giving 52 square yards undivided land share. Here the land value per square yard market price is 1,50,000, and if you see if you multiply with 52 square yard, it is coming around 78 lakhs. So undivided land share value itself is a 78 lakhs, and the price what we are quoting it is 7,500 per square feet, 6 lakhs for car parking and amenities. So price wise it is attractive, and you can save GST here. And I wanted to tell you one more thing. Our lift is we are providing 8 passenger lift. If you purchase a flat in our project, it is good even if you are going for an investment, as you can get a very good rent here, as it is very close to all the software companies, and metro railway station is also very close. Medicover hospital also is very close, and you can walk. It's a 2 minutes drive from the high-tech city. So if you are interested, please let us know. You can come and see our project anytime. Please call me at this number 9985790011.